In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add footer line in WPS. In this tutorial, you will see how simple it is to add a footer line in WPS Office Writer and how this small detail can make your document look more clean, organized, and professional. A footer line is often used to visually separate the main content from the footer area, especially when you are working on reports, letters, or formal documents. As you can see, a footer line can be added in just a few steps. To begin, go to the Insert tab at the top of the document. Under this tab, you will see the Header and Footer option. Click on this option to activate and edit the footer section of your document. Once the footer is enabled, the footer area becomes editable. Now, click inside the footer box to make sure it is active. After that, switch to the Home tab because this is where the formatting tools are located. Here, we will use the Borders option to create the footer line. Click on the small downward triangle next to the Borders icon to open more border settings. From the list, click on the Borders and Shading option. Make sure you are on the Borders section because this is where you can control how the footer line will appear. You will see several line styles available, such as solid lines, dashed lines, dotted lines, or even a double line. Choose the line style that best fits your document. Below that, you can select the color of the footer line. For example, you may choose a red color if you want the footer to stand out. You can also adjust the width, which controls the thickness of the line. A thickness of 3 points is a good choice for a clear but clean-looking footer line. On the right side, you will see a preview showing how the border will look. Since we only want a footer line and not a full box, remove the left, right, and top borders, leaving only the bottom border selected. Once everything is set correctly, click OK. The footer line will now appear in your document. If you want to remove the footer line later, simply double-click inside the footer area, click inside the footer box, go back to the Home tab, open the Borders option, and select No Border. This will remove the footer line instantly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.